it's Mrs. Morris, and I'm back for our next Johnson Kindergarten April number corner time. I am going to switch over to our calendar, and I'm going to see who is ready to sing along with me. If you're ready to sing the Days of the Week song, put your hands on your head. Good job. Okay, here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Nice job. Okay, so I'm going to help you out. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Help me. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Nice job. So if today is Friday, April 3rd, who can tell me what yesterday was? Nice job. You're correct. Yesterday, which already happened, so that's why I point behind myself, was Thursday, April 3rd. Nice job. So if yesterday was Thursday, April 2nd, April 2nd. Did Miss Morris say April 3rd? Oh, I think I'm so excited that it's Friday that I just keep saying that. So yesterday was Thursday, April 2nd. If today is Friday, April 3rd, what's tomorrow gonna be? Tomorrow, here's a little hint, is a weekend day. It starts with an S, and we don't have any school or lessons to do tomorrow. You're right, it's Saturday. If you look at our calendar, it's going to be Saturday, April 4th, and that is in the future, so I point in front of us because we haven't gotten there yet. Nice job. Okay, are we ready to turn it over? Remember, we're measuring today and yesterday and Wednesday. We have measuring tools, and so let's see what today's is. Oh, interesting. Let me get it over here so you can see it a little bit bigger. Look at that. Who knows what those are? Oh, I heard somebody say we use those in the kitchen. You're correct. Those are measuring spoons. Miss Morris has them over here from my kitchen. Here's a measuring spoon, and here's another one. These are plastic. And then I also have some fancy dancy ones that are made out of ceramic, and those are measuring spoons. Measuring spoons measure capacity, and capacity is when we figure out how much something holds or how much something fills something up with. So if I was using a measuring spoon and I filled this spoon up with sugar for a cake, then if this was filled up, the capacity would be 1 teaspoon, and it tells me on here in case I need some help with that. Do you see that? Okay, so capacity is how much something fills up, okay? All right, and those are measuring spoons. You might even have some measuring cups. So yesterday I showed you an example of a pan balance and how you could make one at home. I hope you got to make one, and if you didn't, maybe you'll get to make one this weekend. Measuring spoons, I bet you have some in your kitchen, and you could help your family make dinner tonight and use some measuring spoons. That would be really, really fun. All right, so we're going to go on to our frogs and toads, and we're going to do our spinner. So get your finger ready. You're going to put it right in the middle of that circle, but don't press it yet until I get to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A toad! Oh my goodness, Toad just keeps winning and winning. Oh my goodness, poor frog. Maybe we don't have any frogs. Maybe they're all sleeping. Maybe they're all in their home, all huddled up with their families, huh? So let's look at our chart. So look here real quick on our pocket chart, how many toads we have and how many frogs. Lock it in your brain because we're going to go to our chart. Okie dokie, pokey mokies. So we need to add to our graph Miss Morris put it in the wrong place, a brown rectangle to fill up for our toad. Frog still doesn't have any. I hope we get a frog on Monday when we come back after the weekend. Now, how many toads do we have? I'm going to give you a hint. If you were to fill up all of these boxes to this black line right here, that black line is going to be 5. So if I have 3, how many more do I need to make 5? I have 3. How many more? 2. So we have 3 toads and we need 2 more to get to 5. Good job, friends. Okay, so let's put it over here into our number sentence or equation. Miss Morris has to copy this 0 because we have 0 frogs and I did not make an extra 0 because I for sure thought, oh, by golly, we have to get a frog today. Well, Miss Morris was wrong, huh? Maybe next time. Okay, so here is our 0 for our frogs. And then do you remember how many toads we had? 3, yeah, 3. So I'm going to grab my 3 and bring it up here. Now, if I have 0 frogs and 3 toads, how many do I have altogether? 3, you're right, 3. So I have to make a copy of a 3 again too because Miss Morris didn't think that would happen. I was really hoping for a different one, but that's okay. And then I'm going to paste it and I'm going to move it over to the end of our equation. And then Miss Morris is going to read the equation and then you have to listen really carefully because then I'm going to ask you to read the equation. Okay? Are you listening? Okay? Your ears are on? Your voices are quiet? Your bodies are still? Your eyes are watching me. Better be watching me. Okay, so if I have 0 and 3, here we go. 0 frogs plus 3 toads equals 3 toads. Listen to it again. 0 frogs plus 3 toads equals 3 toads. I'm kind of making a sad voice because frogs, there's no frogs. Okay, your turn. Ready? Good job! I use my fingers to kind of help you. Excellent job. Okay, so now we're done with Calendar Collector and we are going to look at our number line. I'm so excited about this. So if you can scratch your brains and remember in your classroom what our pocket chart with our numbers are, it was a long blue pocket chart and it had windows that you would pull up like these red and blue ones and you would uncover the numbers underneath. Remember that? Yeah. So Miss Morris made one on here, and oh, there is Hap. He's sitting over here in the corner where he's not going to do any hopping today. He's just going to sit over and watch and see how well we do today. So I want you to look at the numbers that we have on our number line today, and I want you to see what you observe of those numbers. Tell me what you have. What do you observe? Wow, friends, I hear some really good observations. Some things that really stuck out in my ear when I was listening to you was that somebody said that there was counting numbers in here. And you're right. If you look really carefully, I see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see that? Yeah. And I heard somebody else say that they're all in the 30s. How did you know that? How did you know that they were all in their 30s? You're right, because there's a 3 in front of all of them in the tens place. There's a 3, so that means the numbers are all in the 30s. So now what we're going to do is we're going to count. We're going to start with 30 and we're going to count to 39. When we get to 39, then we're going to count backwards from 39 to 30, okay? All right, let's start. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We're going to stop there. All right, now we're going to count backwards. This can be a little tricky because it's not 10. But the counting numbers are there. So if you're really careful and look, there's a 9, there's an 8, there's a 7. Do you see that? So we have to say 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Nice job. Okay, so now we're going to play a little game. Miss Morris is going to cover some of these up with the windows. All right, and I bet you some of you are trying to remember what the numbers Miss Morris is covering up. I'm having to look at my Post-it to remember which ones I had picked. All right, so I'm going to cover some of these up, and then I'm going to ask you some questions and see how smart you are about your numbers, okay? Now, we are going to figure out what numbers come before and after some of these numbers, okay? So I want you to listen really carefully, and I'll help you with the first one. So I want you to put your finger on the number 31. Where is 31 on our number line? You're right. Look at here. Miss Morris is going to put her pointer right there. 31. There's 31. Now here's a question for you. What number comes after 31? After 31. Okay, I'm going to put a point right here. After 31. Oh, you guys are right. It was 32. 30, 31, 32. Now, what comes after 32? 33, correct. Oh, you're so smart. Okay, so now, let's see how smart you are. What number comes after 33? It's going to be behind this window. What number comes after 33? Remember, 30, 31, 32, 33. You're right, 34. Do you see how it has a 3 for 30 and a 4? Yeah, 34. Oh, you guys are too smart for those after ones. We're going to try a before one, okay? You ready? Who knows what number this is right here? Who knows what number that is? Oh, you guys are so smart. You're so ready for first grade. I'm so excited. It's 36. Good job. So what number comes before 36? Not after. Not after. It's not after. Oh my goodness. I just can't wait for Miss Haga and Miss Roebuck and Miss Gansko. I can't wait for them to have you in first grade. You're right, it's 35. 35 comes before 36. All right, are you ready? What number is this one right here? I'll give you a hint. It's 30-something. 38. You're right, 38. Okay. Now, what number comes before 38? Before 38. Good job. 37. 38. 37. Nice job. Okay, we have one more to uncover. We're not going to uncover our red one until tomorrow. Oh, excuse me, Monday, not tomorrow, because tomorrow is Saturday. So 38, what number comes after 38? Not before, after 38. After. You guys are so smart. I didn't even have to give you a lot of time on that one. It was 39. Nice job. Let's count one more time from 30 to 39, and then we'll count backwards, okay? And then we'll be done for the day. Here we go. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Nice job. Now let's count backwards. Make sure you look at those counting numbers to help you. Ready? 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Wow, you guys are just amazing. Oh, it just makes my heart so warm and cozy to hear you guys count with me. It's wonderful. Okay, so put your arms out really big. Give yourself a big, tight hug. And that one is from Miss Protz and Miss Petrick and Miss Arnold and Miss Bentley and Miss Kate and I. We love you guys so, so much. I'm so, so proud of you. I do want to give a shout out to a friend of mine in my class. My friend Alex has been practicing writing his numbers. Whoa. His mom sent me a picture on Dojo of him writing his numbers. It looked almost like a second grader wrote his numbers. Alex, Miss Morris is so proud of you. Now, if you want to show Miss Morris how wonderful you're doing on your work, you need to make sure that you dojo your teacher or dojo me a picture of you working, and then maybe Miss Morris or Miss Petrick or Miss Arnold, Miss Protz, Miss Bentley, Miss Kate, one of us might mention your name in a YouTube video also. You guys have a great weekend. Remember, parents, no number corner on Saturday and Sunday. Monday, Mrs. Morris will be back and ready to roll for number corner again. Until then, we love you. Bye.